Hi and welcome to another video of Tableau 101. Today I want to show you how you can use the sort function um, to sort by all your measures. So in this example, we want to be able to sort by 2016 sales, 17 sales, year on year, absolute values and percentage. And we want to be able to order by descending, ascending, and then by the different sort values. So how do you approach this? Um, it is a bit more complicated. What you do is you create first a measure called sort by, where you link up all the fields that you want to put in. You link them to text fields, and then you add those into the sort by parameter right here. So you can see how they link up to each other. We just use data type string and then use a list and add those all in. And then we create another one, the parameter for order by, and we just put in values such as ascending and descending. And then we go to the equivalent calculation. And in there, all we do is we say case when the order by parameter is ascending, then use the sort by, else use sort by minus. And if we go back into sort by, so it'll use whatever we have displayed here and will minus it if it's descending. Now, what the minus does for you is it'll allow the sorting of your values in that certain order. What you then have to do is you have to just sort by the fields that you want to sort by in ascending order, and the field will be the order by. Remember, order by is the one that has the ascending and descending values. And you do the same for region, right? And then we, just to show you, if we take this out, the order does not work. But what we can do is we can take the order by calculation, drop it in here, turn it back into a discrete value, and then drag it in between your field values, in this case region and category, and then we can pop this into ascending, and it'll turn everything ascending by 2016 sales, or descending by, for example, 2017 sales. So you see the value here is equivalent just with the minuses. And all we have to do to make this pretty is remove the header, and your sortable table is ready to be used by your users. I hope this helped. Thank you so much for watching.